You probably do not spend much time thinking about your toilet tank. Honestly, why would you? For most of us, it is just that porcelain box behind the toilet that quietly does its job without asking for attention. But what if I told you that pouring ordinary 3% hydrogen peroxide into that tank could completely change your cleaning routine? Let us understand what hydrogen peroxide actually does when you make it part of your bathroom habits. Let us begin with the part you never look at, the tank. Yes, the box behind the bowl that quietly fills and empties every single day. Take a measuring cup and pour in about 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Do not flush right away. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. This alone does something most people never think about. It cleans the inside of the tank. And that tank is where every flush begins. Over time, it becomes a dark and damp space full of mineral deposits, mildew, and sometimes even mold if your bathroom stays humid. The inside of that tank can turn into a small swamp without anyone noticing. Letting hydrogen peroxide sit in there removes those invisible buildups without toxic bleach. Clean tank water leads to cleaner flushes. Cleaner flushes lead to fewer bowl stains. In short, you are fixing the problem before it even reaches the bowl. After handling the tank, it is time for the bowl. Pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide directly into the water. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then scrub lightly. The result is a fresher bowl without that sharp chemical smell. Hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria, viruses, and mold spores, but it does not leave behind that strong bleach scent that makes your eyes water. Anyone who has ever walked into a bleach-filled bathroom will appreciate how gentle hydrogen peroxide feels. Every toilet eventually develops that annoying brown ring at the water line, the one that refuses to go away. For this, sprinkle baking soda around the ring and pour hydrogen peroxide over it. It will foam up and break down old stains that have stuck to the porcelain for years. If the ring still remains, use a wet pumice stone and scrub gently in circles. It breaks down the mineral layer without scratching the bowl. Just keep the stone wet while cleaning. Afterwards, pour undiluted hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and mist these surfaces lightly. Let it sit for a minute and then wipe it away. It disinfects without a sticky residue or a harsh smell. This is especially important when someone in your home has been sick, because the toilet handle is one of the most touched spots in the entire bathroom. There is one tool that works the hardest yet is clean the least: the toilet brush. It scrubs the dirtiest areas and then sits in its holder, soaking in old drips and strange odors. To clean it properly, fill a small bucket or the brush holder with equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water. Let the brush soak for 30 minutes. This disinfects the bristles, removes bad smells, and keeps your bathroom fresher overall. If your toilet has started draining slowly, not clogged, but just sluggish, you may have organic buildup deep in the pipes. Mix 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide with a spoonful of baking soda and pour it down the toilet. Follow with hot water, not boiling, just hot. It foams as it travels down, breaking apart grime and helping the water flow better. It is not a replacement for a plunger if you have a full blockage, but it is a great preventive method. And it does not damage your pipes the way strong chemical drain cleaners often do. The best thing about hydrogen peroxide is how cheap, safe, and low effort it is. You do not need several different bathroom cleaners. You do not need bleach that burns your nose. You just need 1 bottle of this bubbling liquid and maybe some baking soda. Try it once and you will wonder why you never used it before. If this helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more satisfying cleaning ideas. Thank you for watching.